So welcome to another Simply Diagnostics video down here live from bright and sunny Cheshire in the simplydiag.net community hub. We've got in front of us here Peugeot RCZ white with 4 wheels. It's come in with a customer complaint that the dip beams aren't working, or they're swapping sides intermittently. What the left comes on, then the right comes on, then none of them come on. Currently none of them are working. So we've gone firstly into DDTSB to see if there's any bulletins. There isn't. So what I've done, I've pulled up the manufacturer's wiring diagram, courtesy of ALLDATA. We can see here we've got our 2 front lamps, 2610, 2615. And it's fed through, the low beam is fed through on pins 25 and 26 of the underbonnet fuse box. And coming down, 2701 is the wire number. So Peugeot Citroën wiring diagrams don't typically use colours. It's a 4-digit code that's on the wire. So that's the feed for the dip beam on one side, and 2702 is the feed for the dip beam on the other side. So then what we've done then, we've come round to the front of the vehicle. We've got our underbonnet fuse box here. It's the 28-pin brown connector, which is this one here. And we've got 2701 and 2702. We've back probed them. The feeds to them okay. We've confirmed that we've got a live coming out of the fuse box this far. And now what we've got to do now is go to the actual lamp units themselves. See if we're getting a live feed there, if we're getting a live feed there. It's not the bulbs have been checked and verified. Go a bit further in, we'll see what's going on. Have we got a wiring fault? Does it share any common earths? Or is it, what's going on? But all we know from now is that the output from the fuse box is coming this way to the lights, and we've got an issue this way. So very quickly, within the assessment, we've managed to split the circuit in half, and we're going to do our checks now and see exactly what's going on with it. So ALLDATA wiring diagrams, they're a little bit tricky to navigate. If you've got any issues with your wiring diagrams or learning how to navigate where to get the component codes from and that, by all means drop into the tech support Zoom and I'll run you through it. So hope you found this interesting. Thanks for watching. You're awesome.